girls are hungry. I know better than to keep girls hungry.
We are very fresh and fit. When I don't have breakfast, you should not mess with me. Like, don't.
I'm in trouble.
Hungry girls are beasts.
Yeah, I'm in trouble. Buenos dias a todos. It is Monday, 11th of November, the start of a new week. A beautiful day here in Pucon, and we are ready to head out in our Suzuki Alto. We're just buying our morning coffee. We're just at the shops, our first stop. And can I just say, coffee here is super bloody expensive. For the last few days, we've been buying $6 coffee, around 3,000 pesos. Coffee back at home ranges from 350 to 450, but I would never buy $6 coffee. I was also a bit late this morning. I told Fabi we were gonna leave at 9 o'clock. It's 9:30 now and only just got ready, so I'm sorry, Fabi, if you're watching this later on.
Buenos dias a todos! Soy yo, Fabi! So this time we have been late again.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, I got my coffee, so I'm fine.
Are you fine? She's a little bit jumpy this morning.
So we are on the way to the national park, Huerquehue. We're gonna have some nice walks, hopefully some nice views over the lakes, over the rivers. It's quite close to the Caburgua lake where we have been yesterday. Probably we're gonna have some nice views over there because it's a bit higher. And yes, we have good weather, warm weather, so summer is definitely here.
And then for today, guys, we are joined by Lydia.
Hola! I'm from Germany, all the way from Berlin. And yeah, I met these two guys yesterday and we decided to do this trip together. I'm really excited.
I speak a little English.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
You can understand un poquito español.
Okay.
Puede entiendo, so
yeah.
it's mejor. So puede practicar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
¿Quieren español?
Un poco.
Bueno, están aquí a la entrada al Parque Nacional Huerquehue. Después llegan acá al final del camino y de ahí está el sendero para ir a los lagos Chico, Toro y Verde. De acá, hasta, de la entrada hasta el Lago Verde son 7 kilómetros.
¿Es posible este y
claro, ahí sí, eso sí. Eso
okay, so a circle.
Claro, ahí, eso sí.
Okay, okay.
And then volver is el mismo.
Claro,
mismo
volver
way.
por el mismo camino.
Y cinco horas.
Es 5 horas más o menos.
Sí, okay.
En total
Hay que volver, claro.
Gracias.
Okay.
Perfecto.
Yeah. That clutch though. Yeah, that's the thing when you're traveling and then you say, oh, I'm gonna do this or I'm gonna.
But I gotta join you.
And then someone's like, oh yeah, I'll join you, and you're like, oh yeah, I kind of. Nah, I think I'll do it by myself.
Oh, today I feel so tired. I'm not going. I just grab a coffee away.
That's how I was like, so Patagonia. I was just like, yeah, I'm going. It's like, so do you want to join? Baby's like, oh yeah, we'll go Patagonia.
No. You still want that I'm gonna join you?
Do you want to join me?
I'm getting a question back. Ooh. I would think about it on the way back.
Yeah, we'll see how today goes.
Yeah.
If today's good, then yeah.
I'm gonna come with you. Okay, I come. Oh no, shit. Why did I ask?
Yeah, Fabi messaged me. She's like, so I asked Lydia if she wanted to join. Is that okay? I'm like, oh, I don't know. Is it okay? I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna turn out.
Tell me if you get tired of me then. I wait an hour before I go to you.
It's okay. Buses come up here anyway as well.
Come on.
Oh, it's not windy today. Look how nice the water is.
Wow. So amazing. Funny day.
Why?
It's just a feeling. Well, look
at us.
Why? Look at us.
Oh no. You said funny. You mean a fun day?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a fun day. Funny's different. It's like same. It's mismo. It's not mismo.
No. Tell me.
Nah, funny day. It's like no. It is gonna be a funny day. But I think you meant it's gonna be a fun day.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Every day is fun with you. Especially when you drive. So we're now off and away on our trek today in Huerquehue National Park, and we're just walking along this lake here, different to the lake we were at yesterday. It's called Lake Ting something. Se llama es Lake Tenquilco. So our hike today is going to be about 6 hours. It's 11 o'clock now, so yeah, I think it's just like a 3 or 4 hour hike to the lakes further up there, and then we've got our food. Gonna have a little picnic. just chillax and enjoy the day. And then by the time we get back, planning to get back at around 5 or something. So hopefully be back in town at 6 to get a good view of the sunset by the lake again. We have now made it to our first waterfall stop. Check this out. Whoa. This is a lot better than I expected. A lot bigger than I expected. So just having a nice little refreshing break, cooling off by the waterfall. Didn't bring my swimmers today, but if I had, yeah, looks like it would have been a cool place to go swimming. Maybe further down that way. But unfortunately, it didn't bring it. Damn. If this was Southeast Asia, I definitely would have went in. Girls are hungry. I know better than to keep girls hungry.
And fit.
I know better than to get Fabi hungry.
Yeah,
you'll see when she's hungry. Oh, yesterday she was hungry. Oh, I could tell.
When I'm hungry, like when I don't have breakfast,
you
should not mess with me. Like, don't.
I'm in trouble.
Hungry girls are beasts.
Yeah, I'm in trouble. We are on our way to Lago Verde, 1.8 kilometers, 50 minutes into our lunch stop, and here it is. Viewpoint behind me here. Can you stop watching me? When I'm doing this, it's supposed to be having a conversation, so I don't feel pressured. No, when I'm hungry, I'm just a quiet hungry, but I don't get hangry. Fabi was a little bit hangry yesterday.
A lot. My brother learned that when I did not have proper breakfast.
Yeah.
Even like the shit coffee, like, you know, sometimes, most of the time they don't have proper coffee machines.
Yeah.
So they just have this filter coffee. Or like instant.
Yeah.
And like instant coffee is even worse. So what my brother did, like he learned it very quickly. He was researching coffee places. Yeah.
Yeah, why not? That's alright. We could have lunch on the rocks. Alright, finally made it to our lunch spot. Spot at Laguna Verde. Yes! Look at this. I like the energy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sick.
Worth to do it.
Pretty hungry actually. What time is it? 2:45. We did pretty good time, I think. Yeah. I just brought a big ass bottle of water. And Fabi's got the pan and the frutillas. Oh, that's strawberries.
What's it
Nice. Nice and healthy.
Oh.
It does so.
I lost my tomato.
Of course, the Swisser has a Swiss Army life. Of course. Alright, so we just finished lunch now and it's pretty late in the afternoon. It's 4 o'clock now, so I don't think we're gonna have time to loop around this lagoon, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go back the way we came. I think it's gonna take us a good 2.5 hours to go back to the car. So by then it's already gonna be 6:30. Judging from where we are on Maps.me, it's gonna take maybe another 4 hours just to go around and then come back to this point. So definitely not enough time. While we were hiking up, a lot of people were already hiking down, so that's probably a better time to do it. But in any case, there was still a lot of places back there that we wanted to check out and take our time in that we just walked past. So still a very scenic way back to our car. Alright guys, so we're just back into town now, back at our usual spot by the wharf, watching the sunset. Made sure I had plenty of time tonight to watch the sunset since we missed it yesterday. And Fabi's really hungry right now, but she's toughing it out. She's toughing it out, watching the sunset, because I'm pretty much making her. So yeah, a really good day out today. The hike up was good, but I think on the way back I did start feeling on my right knee. But I think after, after a good sleep tonight, an early sleep tonight, 7-8 hours, it should be okay. Ready for our volcano trek tomorrow, which is going up Volcan Villarrica, right up there above Fabi's head. So today's stats, if my health app got it, walking distance 16 Ks, 15.9 Ks,
That's not that bad.
23,000 steps, and we climbed 197 floors. 197 floors. So a floor is about 3 meters times 3. I think that's in total, ascended and descended 600 meters. So not bad. You gave me a pretty good warm up for the hike tomorrow. Thank you for that. So yeah, sun's gonna set in about, I will say 20 minutes. 20 minutes it will set. So I'm gonna set up my camera, get a time lapse of this place, take map up, all the usual stuff, and then we'll head off to the restaurant for dinner. That's gonna be it for today. We are now at our favorite restaurant having dinner. Since I had my volcano hike, I wasn't allowed to join the girls and have pisco sour, so I have to make do with my Coke. Fabi didn't allow me. Loading up tonight for a big day tomorrow. Cheers! Cheers! So thanks for joining me today again, guys, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.